Hi, I will start my presentation by characterizing the genre, then I will give a brief summary, and then I will present my analysis. The poem Moon is fiction. Furthermore, it's science fiction because it deals with technology and different universe. The poem is about a girl who builds a rocket ship and then she leaves the Earth. Suddenly she wakes up on a different planet with fantastic creatures such as an elf and a fairy and so on. Um, the poem consists of 14 stanzas composed by 4 lines. The poem has a very simple sentence structure and that corresponds very well with the content. The poem sticks to a regular rhyme pattern because the first 6 stanzas have an AA rhyme in the last sentences, and the last stanzas have AA rhyme in the beginning. Um, the protagonist in the story is the young child Greta Forster. We don't get to know much about her, and there are only a few examples of direct characterization of her. For instance, she was happy. Um, the quote is a direct characterization of her, which describes her current state of mind. Otherwise, she is characterized by her actions. Um, and the fact that she's so alone could also indicate that she might be lonely, and that could be the reason why she was so um, eager to leave the planet. And building the rocket ship and leaving the planet have a very big importance for her. And this is also underlined in the sentence. She let she let out a smiling tear, which really describes the importance of it. Um, there's dialogue between the protagonist and the elf that she meets on the new planet, and in the conversation between them, there are use of slang words such as plenty of them and let me show you. Um, these slangs are only used in dialogue and not in written words. Otherwise, I think the vocabulary in the poem is a bit difficult because there are a lot of formal words, um, but there's also a lot of describing adjectives such as admirable, and in addition to that, there's also a lot of describing adverbs such as tirelessly, hammering, programming, because all the adverbs describe her actions, so we get really informed about that. Furthermore, there's also use of metaphor. Um, for instance, Greta was on cloud nine, which is a metaphor for a current state of happiness. And besides that, there's also irony, um, which we can see in the quote, a large-nosed fairy. And that's very ironic because fairies are always depicted as very beautiful creatures. So it's very ironic that she has a large nose, uh, that she has a large nose, because that isn't how they normally are depicted. Um, but the descriptions of the fairy can also refer to the theme, which is dreams. Which is dreams and childishness. Um, the rocket ship that she builds and the travel she makes through the universe. Um, oh, sorry, I just forgot something. The first sentence in the text begins with once night. Greta Foster sat in the backyard, which could imply that the following episode is a dream. Furthermore, the rocket ship that she builds um, and her travel through the young. Oh, sorry, I just lost it again. Furthermore, the rocket ship that she builds and the travel that she makes through the universe to the new planet is a symbol of her childish side or her travel to her childish side. Um, and there's also the quote, she was put to platonic sleep, which is a symbol for a childish side which has been hibernating for a long time. But as she wakes up, she wakes up with a newfound thrill, which is the fact that she discovers her childish side and her very imagineful side. In addition to that, this is also exemplified by the different creatures that lives on the planet. There are, for example, talking rabbits, unicorns, wolves, and also a minotaur and a faun. And we know the minotaur and the faun from Greek mythology. And the fact that all of these creatures can live happily together, and even though they are so different, is very characteristic for the childish way of thinking, because of their incredible imagination. Um, and as she arrives to the planet, a rabbit meets her. A rabbit meets her, um, and he actually asks her to take, or he tells her to take her suit off, which is also a very important symbol, because the heavy suit, as described, symbolizes how she tries to alter childishness in like unaccustomed environments such as the new planet. Um, and also the heavy weight of it symbolizes the burden she carries when she tries to alter her childishness. But as soon as she takes it off, um, as soon as she takes it off, we see her very flowery and cute dress, which is a symbol of how she really is underneath. That she is a cute girl and flowery, and she doesn't have to wear this suit. And I also think the poem deals with a very actual problem, because it deals with problems we have in our society nowadays. People are in such a rush all the time, and we are forced to grow old and be adults so fast that we sometimes tend to forget that children are children and they should embrace their childishness, and enjoy it, and not be in such a rush and have to wrap their childishness in order to become adults. That is mainly the most important message of this whole text. Um, yeah, thank you for listening.